A man died. When he realized it, he saw God coming closer with a suitcase in his hand. God said, "All right, son, it's time to go." The man got surprised and responded, "Now, so soon? I had a lot of plans." "I am sorry, but it's time to go," said God. "What do you have in that suitcase?" the man asked. God answered, "Your belongings." "My belongings? You mean my things, my clothes, my money?" God answered, "Those things were not yours. They belonged to the earth." "Is it my memories?" the man asked. God answered, "Those never belonged to you. They belonged to time." "Is it my talents?" God answered, "Those were never yours. They belonged to the circumstances." "Is it my friends and family?" God answered, "I am sorry, they were never yours. They belonged to the path." "Is it my wife and son?" God answered, "They were never yours. They belonged to your heart." "Is it my body?" God answered, "That was never yours. It belonged to the dust." "Is it my soul?" God answered, "No, that is mine." Full of fear, the man took the suitcase from God and opened it just to find out the suitcase was empty. With a tear coming down his cheek, the man said, "I never had anything." God answered, "That is correct. Nothing belonged to you. Life is just a moment. Only the moments you lived were yours. Nothing else. So, live for now. Live your life. Don't forget to be happy. That is the only thing that matters." My dear brothers and sisters, we must understand the truth that all the material things around us are not permanent. We will not take anything with us from here. Material things and everything else that we fight for stay here. Then why do people have so much ego on their property, wealth, and other material possessions? What do they boast of so much? What is ours here? Nothing. We came empty-handed and will go empty-handed as well. Let me admit one thing. We humans are living a material life with this material body, and for this has to be taken care of, we need materials from this material world. Enjoy them all, but at the same time stay detached, keeping it in mind that everything here is valueless. Therefore, let us learn to detach ourselves from the perishable things. When we practice this, we gradually will realize that everlasting joy is God. I hope you learned something from this inspirational story. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Hare Krishna.